Welcome to the Quaderno Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Quaderno is a tax automation software designed primarily for online businesses, digital entrepreneurs, and e-commerce stores. It simplifies the complexities of tax compliance, especially for businesses operating internationally, by automatically calculating, collecting, and reporting taxes for various regions. One of Quaderno's key features is its ability to automatically calculate V8, sales tax, and GST based on the location of your customers. This is particularly useful for businesses that sell globally, as it ensures that you are charging the correct tax rate for each region. The software integrates with multiple e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Stripe, automatically pulling transaction data and calculating the taxes accordingly. This integration saves you time and eliminates the need for manual tax calculations, reducing the risk of human error. Quaderno also generates ready-to-file tax reports, which can be exported in formats compatible with various accounting software. This makes filing taxes much easier and ensures you're prepared for audits if needed. Additionally, the platform offers customizable invoices, which automatically include the correct tax rate for each customer, streamlining the invoicing process and ensuring compliance with local tax laws. The software supports multiple currencies, making it ideal for businesses with an international customer base. It also has robust real-time tax tracking, so you can stay on top of your tax liabilities without any surprises. The user interface is clean and intuitive, so even users without a tax background can navigate it easily. Quaderno is an excellent solution for e-commerce businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who need automated tax management across multiple regions. It's perfect for those who want to stay compliant without having to manually manage tax rates, invoices, or reports. For more information, be sure to check out the links in the description below.